This lecture is all about depletion type of MOSFET. In my previous lectures, enhancement type MOSFET was at the center stage. However, in my very first lecture, I explained that there are two types of MOSFETs. The very first one is enhancement type, the second one is of depletion type. In enhancement type of MOSFET, when we apply a potential difference across the drain and the source, no current flows through the device. The reason is very simple. There is no conducting channel between the drain and the source, which we have to induce by applying appropriate gate voltage with polarity consideration, whatever is the case for PMOS or NMOS. Whereas in depletion type of MOSFET, when we apply a potential difference across the drain and the source, current flows through the device. That is because there is already a conducting channel between the drain and the source implanted at the time of fabrication. No need to induce that channel further. And this is the cross-section diagram of N-channel depletion MOSFET. This is P-type substrate, source region, drain region, and this is a implanted channel at the time of fabrication, N-type. And in this device, gate voltage modulates conductivity of the channel. How? Appropriate and favorable gate voltage, for example in N-channel depletion MOSFET, a positive gate voltage will enhance the conductivity of this channel. That means current will increase through the device. A negative gate voltage will decrease the conductivity of this channel. That means current through the device will decrease. And this is the mechanism how gate voltage modulates conductivity of the channel or indirectly current passing through the device, which I will explain in detail in transfer characteristics. This is the symbol of N-channel depletion MOSFET, and this is source, body, gate and drain. In this symbol, body and source are interconnected. So this is simplified symbol for N-channel depletion MOSFET, and the thick line indicates there is already a channel between drain and source implanted at the time of fabrication. Let us have a look on the transfer characteristic for depletion type MOSFET. This is the sketch for transfer characteristics. This is the potential difference across gate and source, and this is the drain current passing through the device. There are two sections. One is for positive gate voltage and one is for negative gate voltage in this direction and in this direction. Let us consider this section first. A positive gate voltage on depletion type MOSFET will enhance the conductivity of the channel between the drain and the source, resulting the increase in current. Current will increase with VGS in enhancement type mode. This section is called enhancement type, enhancement mode. I mean, this device is working in enhancement mode when VGS is positive. On the other side, when VGS is negative, this negative voltage will reduce the conductivity of the channel, and at some point the negative gate voltage starts repelling electrons away from the conducting channel, and situation arrives when VGS is equal to minus VT. When VGS is equal to minus VT, the conducting channel which was implanted between the drain and source at the time of fabrication becomes depleted of charge carrier, that is free electrons. At that time, current becomes zero. ID reduces to zero. Here, current zero. And this voltage is called threshold voltage for depletion type MOSFET. This region is called depletion mode. That means this depletion type MOSFET can be operated in enhancement mode as well as in depletion mode. Entirely depends upon the polarity of VGS. And for a particular value of VDS, the drain and source potential difference, drain current can be written this way. This is the expression for drain current in saturation region. Drain current in saturation at VGS 0 at this point. This point. This is known as IDSS. Drain current from drain to source at saturation is half mu n COX W by L, VT square. VT is the threshold voltage for depletion type of MOSFET. So this is all about transfer characteristic for depletion type of MOSFET. This is ID/VDS characteristics for depletion type MOSFET. It is also called output characteristics, and this is drain current in milliampere, and this is potential difference across drain and source in terms of volt. There are three reasons in ID/VDS characteristics. This is the first part. On the left side of this pinch off locus, this part is called triode reason. When this potential difference VDS is less than potential difference across gate and source minus threshold voltage. Threshold voltage is assumed minus 3 volt as a sample for depletion type MOSFET. And on the right hand side of this pinch off locus, when VDS is more than VGS minus VT, this is called saturation region. At pinch off locus, this VDS is equal to VGS minus VT. And third point is cutoff, where this VGS is less than or equal to minus 3 volt. Minus 3 volt is the threshold voltage for depletion type. So at this position, there would be no drain current. That's why this line shows the cutoff region. We start right from when potential difference across gate and source is 0. I explained earlier, at this situation, drain current is known as IDSS. This is a drain current on the onset of saturation region at saturation point. This is drain current from drain to source at saturation. This is the start or onset of saturation region. At this potential difference, when this is minus, current decreases. When it is plus, increases. That means upside, this is called enhancement mode, and downside, this is called depletion mode. So this is up to us how to operate this device. Either we can operate in enhancement mode or in depletion mode. So this is all about output or ID/VDS characteristics for depletion type MOSFET. And this is all about transfer characteristics for depletion and enhancement type MOSFETs. And these are drawn just only for comparison and as a ready reckoner. There are two parts. The right hand side for N channel MOSFETs and left hand side is for P channel MOSFETs. For example, this is a curve for N channel enhancement type MOSFET, and this is a curve for N channel depletion type MOSFET. Similarly, this is for P channel depletion type MOSFET, this one, and this one for P channel enhancement type MOSFET. And these points denote threshold voltages for these devices. Earlier we have discussed a lot about the polarities for VT and the operating voltages for these devices. Basically, operating voltages and threshold voltages, they have just opposite signs as far as N or P channel are concerned. One point is to be noticed here. Just notice the region in which these devices are operating, and this is very important for comparison purpose.